Hi there, my name is Gunjan. Welcome back to my channel. So today it's going to be another Christmas special recipe. I'm going to share another cookie recipe today, and like always, I like to keep my snacks, my keto snacks, under minimum carbs possible. So this cookie recipe is going to be under 1 net carb per cookie. Now before I jump to the recipe, I want to clarify about something. So in my all previous video, I always show you guys which ingredients I am using, and along with that I do show you the nutritional label of those products so that you know the product that I am using, it is keto approved. Now the product I am going to use for this cookie recipe, it is going to be oat fiber. Let me clarify one thing and let me emphasize on that. This is oat fiber. It is not oat flour. It is two different things. Oat fiber is something which has been extracted from oats and it has got zero net carbs. I am going to show you the nutritional label of this product, and you can see that 3 gram there is carbs and 3 fiber, which makes it zero net carb. I am going to link down the product in the description box below so that you can do your own research on this product, and then you can decide whether you want to use this product or not. But I am going to use this product for my recipe. So if you are someone who do not want to use this product, then you can go ahead and search for another recipe, but for my recipe I am going to use this product. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and see this amazing keto cookie recipe. But before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's go ahead and see the recipe. So let's start with our keto and low carb, the best cookie recipe ever, which is going to be under 1 net carb. And for that, here I have got my mixing bowl, and to this I am adding 3 tablespoons of room temperature grass fed organic butter. And next into this I am adding 3 tablespoons of powder sweetener. If you don't have a powder sweetener, you can run your granular sweetener into your coffee grinder or any grinding machine, and you can make a powder from just like this. And to this I have added 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 egg yolk. Now bring out your spatula or your whisk, whatever you're using, and just give this all a good mix, and mix it until it forms a nice pale yellow kind of mixture, just like this, as you can see it in a video. And now it's time to add our star ingredient, which is our oat fiber. So like I told you, this has got 0 net carb, 3 grams of carbs and 3 fiber, which makes it 0 net carb. And give this all a good mix until it forms a nice dough like consistency. Now at this point, if you like the taste of this dough mixture, you can taste it and you can make cookie just out of this. But if you don't like the taste of it, then you can follow the video ahead, because I'm going to add some more flour into this. But this cookie dough itself is 0 net carb, and it is an amazing cookie dough recipe if you really like to stay, or if you like to eat your snack under minimum carb possible. And what I have done here is I have transferred this into a cling wrap, and I have kneaded it for around 10 seconds. And now I'm going to pop this into a refrigerator. So I have kept it in a refrigerator for around 10 to 15 minutes, and after 10 to 15 minutes, just give this all a good nice knead so it softens up. And now it's time to knead it. So as I told you earlier, I am going to add some flour into this. So I'm going to knead this first for around 1 minute. And here I have kneaded this for around 1 minute, and to this I am adding about 3 tablespoons of coconut flour. If you don't want to use coconut flour, you can use almond flour, and for almond flour you have to use 4.5 tablespoons of almond flour. And give this all a good mix until it forms a nice and soft cookie dough. And here is our dough ready for the best cookie recipe. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just simply going to make balls out of it, and I'm going to flatten it out using my palm and give it a shape of a cookie. You can give any shape that you want for your cookie. So I am giving this a circular shape. And next this goes on to my baking tray. And here I am done with shaping my cookies, and with my exact recipe and measurement you will get around 7 cookies out of it. And now this goes into your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. So basically you have to cook this until the edges are golden brown. As you can see it in the video, it is nicely baked. Now once it is baked and out from the oven, these cookies will be incredibly soft. So gently transfer this to your cooling rack and allow this to cool down completely. Now this is our basic cookies ready. This is under 1 net carb, but the festival season is around and I am going to decorate this a little bit more. And for that, here I have got my some white chocolate chips and I have got some dark chocolate chips. So I am going to melt this in microwave, and using my spoon I am just going to coat my cookies. If you want to coat your entire cookie with chocolate, you can, it will taste really good. And I'm going to take this to a next level. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to garnish them with some crushed pistachio and some crushed peanuts. And just look at this, how heavenly this looks. Trust me, you are going to love this cookie recipe, and this is the great cookie recipe because it has got less than 1 net carb. Please try this recipe and let me know in comment below how did you like my recipe, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.